Everyone, I'm going to present my two projects that I have developed for my class Graph Analytics, which I'm taking under Professor Ariful Azad. So I have created two projects, GraphX Performance Test and GraphX Use Case. So in the GraphX Performance Test, I have created multiple classes for testing the performance of multiple algorithms, and so that I can develop results so that it can be comparable with the results that are developed by my project partner Bibra Kamar, who is working on graph processing in GPUs. So let's dive deeper into the algorithms and let's see what I have developed. So we can go into this first class, connected components performance test.scala file. So this class uses the algorithm connected component, and here let's see what I have done here. So we have to create a configuration of the Spark context. So and I'm passing a local in my local as master here. So SC is Spark context, which is getting used inside the SQL context, and so this SQL context will be used for creating the data frame, which is represented by df here. So as you can see, I have already stored my file in the Hadoop file system for better processing of my files. So I have stored my file 2017 for tripdata.csv file in the Hadoop file system, which is hosted in my local system at port number 54310. So this data frame is getting used for creating the stations and the vertices. So for creating this just station, we are only using two attributes, start station ID and start station name, and we for the sake of providing all the files, I have provided all the files inside src main resource folder. So src main resource folder contains all the files that are getting used in this project. So this start station ID and start station name, these attributes are coming from this file. My system is really slow, it is taking too much time to open the file. So yeah, so the file is open now. We can see start station ID and start station name, and this file contains all the data here. Yeah, it contains 5,19,701 records. And we are also creating station here. So the station is using two attributes, start station ID and end station ID. So stations is basically creating the edge of our graph. So station vertices will be creating our vertices of the graph that we are going to use further in this project. So for creating the station vertices, we are using stations and just stations, which we have already processed here, just station and start station. And now the station vertices in this line, the station vertices are simply getting printed, and station edges, so station edges will be giving the edges which we are going to use further in our graph creation. So the start edges is using start station ID and end station ID. Okay, and in case of any missing station, we are also providing a default station with the name as missing station. And finally, we are creating our graph with the attributes as station vertices, station edges, and default station, which we already have processed above. And now we are using this algorithm connected component. So this line will be processing the connected components algorithm, and just wait a moment. Yeah guys, so I have to disconnect this video for some time.